Hi folks, it's Mike Murphy. Today's quick tip is on Twitter. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your Twitter password in a web browser. So first, go to twitter.com and sign in to your Twitter account that you want to change the password for. Once you are logged in, click on More, click on Settings and Privacy. Under the Account tab, you're going to go down here to Password. You're going to click on that. I'm going to go to 1Password, which is where I manage my password. I'm going to click on the copy button to copy my current password, and I'm going to paste it in, Command V, in the current password field on Twitter. I'll go back to 1Password. I'm going to click on Edit. I'm going to click on this little gear icon. I'm going to regenerate a long password here. One that I'll never remember, but one that 1Password will. So I'm going to go back to Twitter. I'm going to paste in the first one, new password. I'm going to confirm the password by pasting it again, and I'm going to click on Save. And you'll see at the very bottom, your password has been successfully updated. And now that you've changed your password, if you want to take your Twitter security up a notch, I also highly recommend turning on two-factor authentication. You're going to be in the same place, so More, Settings and Privacy, click on Account, then click on Security, then right here, two-factor authentication. Just click on this, select the method that you want, and with two-factor authentication turned on, whenever you sign into your Twitter account, you will be required to take one additional step, such as entering a code from a text message. My name is Mike Murphy, and that is how you change your Twitter password. Cheers!